Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of a brand new arrived 2023 NXT21. This is also a new boat in the MasterCraft lineup. Awesome boat, 21 feet. It holds 14 people for a 21-foot boat and has the 6-liter motor in it, so plenty of horsepower, and 2660 pounds of ballast. So a lot of ballast in this 21-foot boat for a great surf wave and capacity of 14 people. Has the Surf Star. We have the Z6 tower with the clamping wakeboard racks on it and the two 7.0 Clish speakers. Climb up here and show you the boat. It's got the nice big sun pad layout, the pop-up ski tow bar. We got the Decadence flooring. We did the advanced audio, so this boat does have the subwoofer with 6 speakers total, with the tower speakers and the 4 cockpit speakers, all Clish. Captain's area here with the 4-inch screen, the analog gauges and switches. At 21 feet, it does have a very nice big bow. 3 people can sit up here very, very nice, very easily. Got the speakers and the cup holders. Coming back around, got the nice playpen seating, so plenty of room. Got the cool phone holders here. So at 21 feet, a lot of room in this boat. It's a great boat for cruising. Wakeboard's great. Surf's great now with that 2660 ballast. Fantastic boat. Come on out to the Greenville store and check out this MasterCraft NXT21, a 2023. We have a lot of other boats here, a lot of MasterCrafts and stocks. Come and check them out. It'll be up on the website at MarineMaxGreenville.com, and you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.